Hey Stunning fam, this is Sarah back with another DIY video. This is part 2 of the golf cart renovation series. We did not do all the renovations at once because we bought the various products over a series of months. You can find all of the products that we bought listed in the description below. We painted the whole thing, so we decided to deep clean the body of the golf cart while all of the pieces were off. Honestly, I'm not sure that this golf cart has ever been deep cleaned like this. We used black vinyl and fabric spray paint for the seats. Before painting the plastic, we used Bond body filler to repair and restore. We used the filler to patch all the holes, dents, and scratches. After it dried, we sanded it down with 120 grit sandpaper. We used gray primer before applying the gray metallic acrylic enamel auto paint with a spray gun kit. After thoroughly drying, we used watercolor clear coat. Next, we put the finished painted body back on with a rivet tool. We also put the seat back on as well. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking to unboxing to anything that can be a DIY style project. We would really love it if you would like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you will be notified when we post another video. After we installed a windproof windshield, it gets really cold where we live, especially at nighttime. Lastly, we installed a rear flip back seat kit with a grab bar. We do not recommend buying this because we had to use scrap steel to modify the entire thing because the measurements were off. The kit also came with cup holders and armrests. We hope that you all enjoyed this video and hope that you have a good week. See you next time.